Welcome friends to my channel Niraj Kapase. So today I'm going to show you unboxing of this Canon EOS1500D camera. This camera come up with two lenses. One is 18x55 lens and 55x250 lens. So just begin the unboxing of this. Welcome friends to my channel Niraj Kapase. So today I'm going to show you unboxing of EOS1500D. So this is entry-level DSLR camera with very good photography. So it come up with EF 18x55x250 lens. Both the lenses are included in this camera. So it come up with bag as well. So I will take out the bag and I will show you the bag, what is there inside the bag. The lock is there for the bag. Just take the lock. Here there are two compartments, a safety guide and safety instruction manual is there, how to use the bag and all, SLR bag. So keep inside this here only. There is one chain for putting your memory card and SD cards in this, and here it is a camera slot, also the lens slot is there. Now we'll open this box and we'll check what is there inside this. So we'll take out this. So here it is EOS1500D Rebel 17 manual. So we'll get all the information regarding this inside this manual about the camera. So I'll keep it aside. Here it is academy card. Okay, so you'll have warranty and feedback and service about of things in this. Then we have it contains Digit8 processor, so details about Digit8 processor, toll-free number and all. So you'll have a warranty card, sticker with the serial numbers and all, with the model serial numbers you will get here. So you can register your camera on the Canon.in for extended warranty as well. If you register this, you will get 2 years extra warranty when you register this. So it's mentioned that 1 + 1 2 years when you register this on online website, that is canon.co.in. Okay, now I will take out this. So inside this, first of all I will tell you, here it is a charging battery charging slot. Okay, here you can fix a battery and charge it. Okay, the charging cord is available inside this. This is the charging cord, so we need to fix like this, the charging cord like this, and then it can run with 230 volt input and the battery charging socket. We'll keep it aside. Okay. Here it is a battery, a small battery is here. So battery pack is there with 7.4 volt with 6.36 watt per hour battery. So socket is there, Canon is written on the battery. Okay, we'll fix the battery inside this body. So here we will get a body. So body, I will show you the body. Here it is a body with the the body is there. Here it is a camera lens available like this. Here it is a small lens. It's a 1855 lens. Okay. So you can observe that 1855 mm lens with image stabilizer. So lens is there. You can fix the cap on the lens, and here this side the connector is there. Okay. So I'll keep a lens aside, and another lens is there inside this box. Inside this there is a bigger lens. This 55 by. I'll take it out. Here it is a second lens. So it's a 55x250 lens. So you can scroll it on like this for zooming and zoom out. So here it is written 55x250 mm with image stabilizer. Micro lens with 1.1 meter to 3.6 feet. Okay, so here it is a connectors, so we can fix it on the body. Okay, so it's a CMOS lenses, and on this side it is a ejector, so we can take it out and then you can observe the lens. It's a 58 mm. Okay, so we can have the marker here, so we can have the zoom in, so it zoom up to 250 and zoom out up to 55, so like this. Okay, so now we'll turn on the camera and we'll install these lenses and we'll review. This camera come up with 16 GB of SDHC card. It is a class 10 card. Okay, so we'll fix and we'll show how to attach a battery and a card inside this camera. Here we have a battery, we have a camera body, we have 55 by 250 mm lens, and the second lens is 18 by 55. So we can fix it on this. First of all, take this camera, inside. Okay, here it is a card and battery opening slot, so just turn this. So you have to fix the battery like this. So here it is a notch, so for this notch and just insert like this. Okay, it is a fixed. Now inside this we need to fix the camera. So here it is a 16 GB of ultra class 10 card, so I'm going to fix it. So notch is there, so we need to fix the notch like this and then insert this inside the SD card slot. So just close the shutter. Okay. So here it is a lens cap on the body, so we need to remove this lens cap. Then first of all I will show you by connecting this small lens, that is 18 by 5 lens. So take out this slot. Okay, then there is a white notch available on this, so just match this notch here in the white dot. So here it is a one white dot is there, one red dot is there. So with this white dot we need to match this white dot and just put like this and just turn this slide. Okay, it's done, lens is done. So we can zoom in and zoom out. We can take out the front closure. Okay, so it is like this. So alright, so I will turn on. Here it is turn on button on the camera, so we can just move like this. So it turns on. You can observe the LCD here. It come up with different modes. So this M is a manual mode, then we have AV mode, then TV, then portrait mode is there, then A plus is automatic mode, then we'll have disable flash mode is there, then we have CA is for creative auto shooting mode, then shooting portrait mode, then we have here shooting landscape mode, then shooting close-up mode, shooting moving subject mode, then shooting food mode, shooting night portraits mode, and we'll have video mode. So these are the different modes. So I will show you these modes will display on this as well. So if I change the mode, so it's a night portrait mode, again it is a food mode, it is a sports mode, it is a close-up mode, a landscape mode, portrait mode, creative auto mode, flash off mode. This is scene intelligence auto mode. It is a program AE mode, shutter priority AV mode, then aperture AV mode, and it is a manual exposure mode. Okay, so for initial level we can keep this on intelligent auto. So it's having a focus lens and screen as well, LCD display. This display is not touchscreen display, so but here we have different modes as well. So I will show you some of the photographs already taken. So here it is a play mode, so I will just hit a play mode, so you can observe the clarity of this. So we can zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so here it is zoom in and zoom out button is there, so we can zoom the picture, move it up, so you can observe the clarity. observe this, it's having very good portrait mode. So I have taken this as in a portrait mode. Zoom out. Okay, some of the photographs. So here it is again in a portrait mode with focused mode. Okay, so you can zoom and then you can observe that the palette is sitting, so it's very clear picture. Now I will tell you how you can change the lens. For that, just switch off the camera. So here I have switched off. So now here it is, one button is attached. So we need to place the button, then turn the lens like this in the opposite direction. Take it out, keep it aside. Take out the second lens. So here it is, second lens. This is 55 by 250 lens. Okay, now I will fix this lens on the camera. So we'll take out the cover and then fix like this. So here again white dot is there. This match this white dot like this. Okay, match this white dot and just turn it. It is fixed. Okay, so bigger lens I have attached. So you can zoom in like this. So it looks like this. So I will take it out the cover side. Looks like this. Okay, so that's all about the unboxing of Canon EOS1500D. So if you like this video, please press like button. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please press subscribe button and also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. So in a future videos, I will show you the tutorials how to use this camera and details about this camera and functionality. Okay, so stay tuned with my channel. Thank you for listening.